Alright, my name is CSP, Very Dark Man of the Online Division, the Nigerian #1 online police. I am not an activist.
The Nigeria Police Force has initiated an investigation into the unauthorized use of its uniform by social critic, Very Dark Man. A video circulating online depicts VDM clad in police attire, styling himself as CSP Very Dark Man, the self-proclaimed #1 online police officer. In response to the viral video, the police force issued a statement on October 26th, unequivocally condemning the misuse of official uniforms and accoutrements by VDM. The statement underscores the force's commitment to a thorough investigation to ascertain the origin of the police gear and the authority under which VDM purported to act. The police force emphasizes that the unauthorized use of police uniforms, insignia, or accoutrements is a criminal offense, punishable under Section 251 of the Criminal Code Law and Section 133 of